Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTOO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice move. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that just on Friday the price was down here, now all of a sudden it's all the way up there. Sure, it pulled back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it is right now, any rational person would say, that's been a very nice move, which moves now into the question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 61, we'll call it 60 cents. So why is 60 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 60 cents. If the price were to come down to 60 and then just continue on down, from a very literal perspective, what would that be doing? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You have this set of lows down there. If you envision each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, make progress, that progress point being defined as 60 cents. What about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers are at, main overall level going to be right up there at the 75 cent mark, which is essentially right there around that, general highs right there from previous periods that the chart has been up around that area. So that'll be public enemy number one. All in all, though, the most important thing that happened was finally the price started to bounce. So now everything just translates into, the bounce has started, which is a big first step. Now it's just a matter of can the price build upon this, bounce, and can the momentum, continue on. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.